What is going on, Awesome Family? Jamie Awesome here, bringing you the Lucario V-Star Premium Collection box. This comes with the 2 V and V-Star cards, a Jumbo card, Jumbo coin. There's a pin in this box, plus your V-Star marker, and looks like 6 total packs. So let's go ahead and open the box. I'm just dropping everything. I don't know how to open boxes, as you can see. There's that. There's that. Get rid of plastics. The coolest thing I saw out of this was the pin. Look at that pin. It's awesome. Pack. And first thing I'm gonna do is I'll show you the promos. I'll pause it. There's the coin. Promos are Lucario V and Lucario V-Star. Look at the prettiness of them. Let's go on the back for now. Jumbo card of the V-Star. And we got packs. What packs do we have, you say? Well, let's look. We got ourselves 2 Brilliant Stars, 3 Fusion Strike, and Chilling Reign. So 6 packs in this box. So not a bad box. Let's go from here. Again, I'm horrible at boxes. They just never do well for me. Farfetch, Execute, Grimer, Clefairy, Pachirisu, Blunder Policy, Luxio, Reverse the Weavile. My rare for the pack is a Clefable. Nice pack of Brilliant Stars. We got ourselves a Baltoy and an Axew. Nosepass, Snorunt, Clink, Gloria, Staravia, Barry. Oh! And my reverse is a Bolton V from the character collection. That's a Lapras. But I love the character Bolton V. He's such a good doggo. With Sonya there. Got ourselves our Chilling Reign pack. Maybe we get something good in these. I know how to do the pack trick. We got Farfetch'd, Furfrou, Venipede, Steel, Carbarella, Spiral Energy, Peony, Lairon, Galarian Slowpoke, and Hollow Cresselia. And then we got 3 Fusion Strike packs. Which, let's get some alt arts from Fusion Strike. Those are the fun ones. We got Tynamo, Flareon Meowth, Gossifleur, Panpour, Eevee, Darkrai, Croconaw, Elisa Sparkle, Reverse is a Toxicroak, and my rare is a Hollow Butterfree. 2 packs to go. Indeedee, Growlithe, Morpeko, Phalanx, Miracle, Spongy Gloves, Frostmoth, Simisear, Totodile Reverse, and a Azumarill. Down to our last pack. So essentially, the Bolton V is the character from the reverse slot. So essentially, I've got no real full hits. I count that as a minor hit. Cool card. Klefki, Wooloo, Pansage, Pancham, Galarian Darumaka, Electric, Dunsparce, Dancer, Reverses Zoroark, and the last rare is a Gorobis regular rare. So we got the 2 promos and the Bolton V. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.